Hey class, in this video what we're going to do is take you through a variety of different tools that are going to be expected to use while you're putting together your presentations in a group. Now, since I wanted to demonstrate the use of some of the project tools that are going to be required in this unit project, we are using Prezi for this presentation. So, first off, let's talk about cloud collaboration tools. One of the major things that I want to make sure that you leave this class being able to do is work with other group mates with web tools that are available to us. Hopefully the free things I think are often sometimes the best, but we have some pretty nice expensive tools at our disposal as well. So I'm going to talk about a couple of these things to start us off at the beginning of the year. I think many of you are already familiar with them, but in case you're not, I want to make sure everybody's on the same page. So the very first thing that we're going to discuss is SkyDrive. SkyDrive is available to us through the school district. This is a Microsoft product. It's got asynchronous editing, meaning that you can't edit things at the same time with other people, but you can edit the same document and have other people edit it as well. All right. One of the great advantages of the SkyDrive is it's definitely got the best word processing capability of all the cloud computing things that are out there. Alright, the next one that we're going to discuss is Google Drive. It's very easy to share. If you have your Gmail account, you know how easy this is. It's got synchronous editing, and however, it's got some limited word processing capability compared to like the Microsoft products, but it's certainly an easy product to use. And the last one is the presentation generator that I'm actually using to put together this presentation for you, and that's Prezi. Nice thing about Prezi is easy to collaborate. It's got exciting movements that you can make in this three-dimensional plane. One of the problems with Prezi is it does go under some constant changes. Sometimes it gets a little clunky. Sometimes it might not save as reliable. And also you notice how I can't create different bullet points here or I can't have each bullet point appear one at a time. However, it's got easy, consistent themes that make for a very pleasant product, and it's got a lot of pre-made templates as well. So those are a couple things to think about when you're putting together this project. Alright, so let's talk about the different tools that are available. So let's start with the SkyDrive Pro. What you'll do to get into the SkyDrive Pro is that you'll use the login that the school district has given you for Office 365. Once you've done that, you need to make sure that you click on SkyDrive right here. So after you click on SkyDrive, you can create a series of different folders. In this case, I'm going to just click in this APUS history folder. So if you are working with your group and you want to collaborate on one document, the nice part about this is that these documents are saved to the cloud, which means you don't have to draft several different emails to send to one another, and then you're uncertain as to what is the most current draft. We always want the most current draft, so you keep it in one location, it's always accessible, and it's always the most recent version of that document. So what you would do is you click Create New Document, select the document you would like to create. In this case, I'm going to create a Word document. Then you would type in the document name, Collaboration Project 1/2, and then click OK. At this point, I can't have that. Let's do a dash instead of a slash. Alright, now we've created that document. You can upload previously created Word documents if you would like, but this is just an easy way to create it. Then at this point, you click Share. And then when you share it, you type in the email addresses of the different individuals that you plan to share. At that point, a link will be sent to them. They'll be able to click it. When they log in with their 365 account, they'll be able to edit that, or if you want them to just view it, you can select that as an option as well. So that's how the SkyDrive is going to work. Alright, so and one other quick note about SkyDrive, it does continually save the draft online, so you don't have to worry about your work being lost halfway through it. Alright, the next one that I'm going to discuss, which many of you seem to be familiar with, is Google Drive. Now Google Drive, this is a Gmail account right here that I have set up. You would access it through the Drive button right here. You can also download Google Drive, and then you have a cloud folder saved to your desktop. It's for another time. If you'd like some help, come see Mr. Compton. So in Google Drive, very simple to create a document. You just click Create, select the document that you want, document, presentation, spreadsheet, form, or drawing. In this case I'm going to select the document. After you've done that, then you would like to title that document. Revision for Unit 1/2 project. Okay, and then you would then click Share, and then type in the different email addresses for the individuals that you would like to share it with. Now you can choose whether that they can edit, comment, or view. Alright, and again, the nice part about this is it continually saves. One of the advantages of using Google Drive is that you have synchronous editing. So say for example there's 4 people that you would like to all be typing at the same time. You can do that on here very easy. However, it is limited with its word processing capability. However, this is always getting better and improving all the different options that you might have. I know it's double what it was over probably about a year and a half ago. So I guarantee that these features will continue to grow. So that's another useful tool when you are trying to keep your work in one place. Alright, the last piece that I want to discuss is about Prezi. You guys saw me do the Prezi at the very beginning. Let me log out of Prezi right here. If you don't already have a Prezi account, create one using your school username and password. If you do already have one, then just go on in, sign in. This is the one that I had from the previous school where I worked. You'll log in, and then at that point, one of you within the group will create a new Prezi. Click on that. Then, as this comes up, perhaps you want to find a pre-made template. You can certainly use the pre-made templates. I don't discourage that at all. Just make sure that fits the structure of the presentation that you're putting together. So maybe finding the way out is the one that I want to select. I use that template right there. Now, once you have created that template, again, we want to share this. You click Share right up here. And of course we'd want to share the Prezi so that we can collaborate with other people. So we'd share, and then you would add the people in there, and whether or not they're editors or viewers. You would obviously want editors. Alright, at that point you would work with them and you would create your presentation, fill everything out. Again, the nice part about this is that it's automatically saving, and if you're concerned about the saving, you can always click the little save button up here to the upper left. You can always change your themes if you'd like to, insert different media. Careful with YouTube videos, don't put YouTube videos in there. The reason for that, they'll be blocked out by the school filters. What you always need to make sure that you do with these Prezis is that you actually do a run through and make sure that all of your paths are correctly assigned. If you need more assistance with Prezi, you can always see Mr. Compton. In addition to that, Prezi has a number of very nice videos that you can check out. Okay, I hope that you enjoy a couple of these tools that are at your disposal for our first unit project. Throughout the course of the year, we'll continue to use these and maybe even build on a couple other ones if we do feel comfortable later on. Alright, let me know if you have any other questions. Look forward to seeing you in class.